All right, so determining odds. We're going to look at an example similar to this marble example, okay? I'm going to draw some golf balls, okay? 1, 2, 3. Here's 5 orange golf balls. And then I'm going to draw 2 yellow golf balls. Outline those ones in case they're a little hard to see. There you go. So we have 5 orange golf balls and 2 yellow golf balls. Let's say that you select a ball at random from the golf balls at the left, or on the page. I'm reading from the book, but just from these golf balls. What are the odds in favor of selecting a yellow ball? Okay, so odds in favor, and it's listed right here, but we're going to write it into our notes. So if you're determining odds in favor, it's again going to be a ratio. It's going to be a fraction. The number of favorable outcomes over the number of unfavorable. So in this case, if I want to know the odds in favor of choosing a yellow golf ball, well, there are 2 balls that are yellow, so it would be 2 over 5, because the unfavorable would be the ones you don't want. It's the 5 that you do not want to choose. And usually odds in favor can be written like this. You're often going to see odds written, remember we can also write ratios this way. The odds in favor of choosing a yellow ball it's a 2 to 5 are your odds. Now odds against, you're just going to flip it around. So for odds against, you're going to do the number of unfavorable outcomes over the number of favorable outcomes. Okay, so if we wanted to know the odds against selecting a yellow ball at random, well, the unfavorable is 5 and the favorable is 2. So odds against would be a 5 to 2 odds. Okay. Definitely make sure you have these. I'm just going to mark them off so it makes it a little easier to see in your notes. Okay, the odds in favor and the odds against. All right, so that is, I was looking to see if there was another example problem that I wanted to do. There it is. Okay, so we have one example problem that I want you to try, working with odds in favor and odds against. Let me paper a little bit, hold on. And it's number 10 right here. See if we can get the whole thing on the page. There you go. A 12-sided solid has faces numbered 1 to 12. So you've got this 12-sided cube. It's not a cube, but it's got 12 sides. And it has a 1 through 12. So picture a dice with 1 through 12 on it. So it has 12 sides. The probability of any side facing upward is the same. What are the odds in favor of rolling a 7? So to do odds in favor, this is for number 10. Odds in favor, the number of favorable outcomes over the number of unfavorable outcomes. Well, if you have this 12-sided die, how many sides have a 7 on them? There would be 1, right? So there's 1 favorable outcome. And then how many unfavorable outcomes? Well, the other 11 would be the unfavorable outcomes. So those are the odds in favor of rolling a 7. Okay. So that is how you determine odds.